Follow me, guys. So let's unbox what I've been using for my content creation and for my business. Guys, I have a business called Ella Sellers. Yes, where you can shop your hairs, your luxury wigs. Yes, and all that. But by the way, today in YouTube, I'll be unboxing, showing you guys what I got to start up my business and content creation too. Yes, before now, I got this mic, this K9 double mic. Yes, and I got this LED Light Pro, and I got the tripod, and I got the dummy for my business. Yes, this dummy is used for showcasing wigs. I'm going to show you guys everything in this video, so follow me. Let's unbox. I'll be clipping this mic here, and the other video that I made where I reviewed this Canon double mic. You can go watch it. Yes, it's in my bio. You can click and watch the video. Is the best affordable mic for you to get. Yes, so let's start from the LED lights. I'll be showing you guys how it is. This video may be long, so but I want to cut it short, and I'll be doing the unboxing one after the other. So I'll just be showing you the highlights of everything, how it looks like and how it comes. So this is how the LED 880 Pro comes. Yes, this is LED light kit. Yeah, this is Pro LED 880. This is Pro LED 880, and then this Pro LED 880. This is the light. I'll be bringing the light. This is the lights, guys. So this is how it comes like. Here you can attach your battery. It comes with two batteries, which I'll show you guys. Yes, it comes with two batteries. This is how the light looks like. This is it, and this is the battery. This is the battery. Yes, come with two battery where you can charge, and the charger. This is the charger. Come with the charger, and this you can attach it to the tripod. So this is all about the Pro LED 880. If you want to get, it's very affordable. It's affordable, but not very affordable yet. It's affordable yet. If you want to shoot your content or shoot for a particular product, yet this LED light that I've got, I want to use it for my business. Yes, shoot for particular products, for my wig product. Yes, and for content creation. So I'll be using both the LED light for two things. Yes, so it's a win-win for me. Yeah, so that's, by the way, this is the tripod where you can attach it. Yes, and I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to do all this, but in a separate video. I'll be showing how you can be able to do this. If you want to get the K9 double mic, yes, it comes with two mic. This is the first, this is the second. Come with charger inside. There's charger inside, and it comes with this is two receiver. It comes with adapter where you can connect it. Yes, the receiver, iPhone receiver, and the type C receiver. Yes, so you can choose how you can be able to do it. And then let's go to the bigger one. This is the dummy that we are talking about. Let's unbox. This thing is not actually heavy. Yes, it looks big, but it's not that heavy, so it might take a while, but we are going to unbox. So guys, I have to end the video because it's taking too long for me to open it, but yes, finally I got it open. So this yes, this is the, can you see it? Can you see it, guys? Can you see the beauty? Can you see the beauty? Can you guys see the beauty? Wow. Can you see? It's actually heavy. Oh, not that heavy. Oh, so this is my baby. This is my baby, guys. Yeah. So you must buy hair by fire by first. Oh my god! But it is a wig. Oh, so this costs actually yeah, some money, but I love it. So how do you say it, guys? It's fine, right? Guys, if you haven't shopped from Ella's Ellos, you are a lady and you want to wear luxury wigs. Yes, you want to get your luxury wigs and everything about hairs. You can come to Ella's Hairlocks for your luxury and affordable hair. I think this is the end of this video. I just wanted to say something. This is not my niche actually. Yes, my name is Grow with Ella here on YouTube. I'm on YouTube. I teach creators how to grow on YouTube. Yeah, so if you want to go on YouTube, I'm growing too. Yes, I'm a growing creator and I teach people how to grow. If you want to grow, you want to get to that monetization threshold, you want to get your 1000 subscribers and your 4000 watch hours, so you can actually subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Yeah, you'll be inspired on how you can be able to achieve all of that. And if you like this video and if you wish for me to unbox and show you more about the tripod, the Pro LED 880 and the K9 double. Okay, I've talked about the K9 double mic, the Pro LED 880, about everything about the Pro LED 880. Like this video and comment. Yes, put a beautiful comment, then I can be able to, yes, do a review on that. But maybe I might do a separate video on the Pro LED 880 and other. But behold the beauty for now. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.